Guys, today Nibbles is doing some mathematics. Are you gonna finish up mathematics, Nibbles? Nope. Never.
She seemed to get the grasp of it.
I always gotta pop on it. What? Okay, Nibbles is acting pretty weird today. Okay, so you Sniffles. Sniffles is literally falling asleep. Can you see? I'm not falling asleep. Do you see that my eyes are open?
The Nibbles' ears are crossed. Okay, she's just...
Help me do a dice.
Sniffles is asleep, Gisley.
Just let me do the dice. I need to do the dice.
As a pillow.
I need to solve this. Anyone, do you know how to solve this? Anyone, do you know how to solve that dice over there? No. Hey, I do. It's made out of calculations. Oh, a smart girl. Okay, yeah, no, I don't think that she's that smart, but yeah. I'm a smart girl, and I'm also a baby. I like it, Sniffles. Stop it. We're drawn, you know. You guys are not drawn. You're real bunnies. Stop it. Nibbles and real. Are you gonna finish that or not? Until I get your glasses. Are you gonna finish that or not? Until I get my glasses to see. Nibbles, what? Until I get my glasses. I said. You want to give her your... No, she doesn't want glasses, does she? You need it. You need it because you're smart. You just woke up Sniffles. That's sunglasses, Emily. Nibbles, you just... No, Sniffles, you both woke... She's doing the dice. You're not doing it right. Do it, Nibbles. Can you do the dice, Nibbles? Nibbles, you rolled here. Okay, now you Sniffles. Nibbles? I'm not being... Oh my god, you bit me, Nibbles. Here. Do this math. Oh my god. Sniffles. Okay, everybody. Talent show. Yeah. I think you have to face me, Sniffles. Face me. No, I'm never going to face you ever in the whole entire life. Look at her. She's so talented. Sniffles, you're so talented. High five. Nibbles, do your math. What? Here we go. Nibbles, do your math. Nibbles, that's not the question. Nibbles, do the math. Sniffles is now the teacher. You're doing the math wrong, Nibbles. Yeah, you're doing it wrong. Even Sniffles can see it. My glasses! My glasses! Not my glasses! Now give me back my glasses. You're rolling it wrong. Oh, sorry, Sniffles. Here you go. Sniffles, don't you dare hurt her. Sniffles, don't be scared. Nibbles is just doing her Rubik's Cubery. You're doing it wrong. Can't you just twist it with your own arms? I don't have any. Sniffles. I don't have any. Yes, you do. Nibbles, Sniffles, you can go then. Nibbles, be quick. Finished. I think. Emily? Mommy? I finished. Give me your test then. Give me your test. I'm gonna give Emily the test, but I'm trying to. Okay, thanks for the test. It does
I repeat, Sniffles and Nibbles.
Sniffles, why are you there? Come on, aren't you supposed to be here? Bro, okay. Okay, Okay, you did twist it a little.
Ow.
You get a C.
See? Are you a C?
No, I'm not.
Dice. Give me that dice. Give me that dice.
Nibbles, you're taking the wrong thing.
You're taking the wrong thing.
That's why you got a C. No! Mine!
You're taking the wrong thing, Nibbles. I hate your dice thing. So what are you thinking? You're as polite. So, it's time for your testing, Crumpet.
Testing crumpet. You want to just stay here? Put her here.
What did you say, Nibbles? I want to jump out. I want to stand here. What is it? What is this tent? What is this tent made of? Bouncers and jelly? Bouncers and jelly? How did you make this? It's so nice. How did you make it?
Trampolines. Even these feet.
Okay. So Nibbles, what are you doing?
Come on, do your math. You can't stay there for long. Do your math, Nibbles.
I'm gonna do my math. Do your math.
It is math time.
What are you talking about? You already solved it! Wow! She solved it! She actually solved it!
Wait, actually?
Yeah, she actually solved it.
Nibble. Why are you lying down there? That's Imani's fate. Can I see her test? I'm the teacher, so let me see the test.
Yeah, fine here.
Thanks. Oh, you get a plus. Are you serious right now? I'm supposed to get an S. So
I worked real hard, so I have to get an S. Video, I have to get an S, you know? Let me get an S, Mommy. Let me get an S. Give me an S, or else I'll leave this. I'll push up. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, I'm gonna do my math again. So I can get an F plus.
F plus?
I'm doing my work.
Why do you want an F?
Stop annoying me. Just look at my math. I have been working so hard, and I finally made my choice. Here you go, teach.
Are you sure? Let me just take that. Thank you, Nibbles.
You're welcome.
Okay. Let's see. Only here. Let's see. Okay, you get an A. You could do it this much better. See, you broke it. Come on, Nibbles.
Making it again for filling it up. Out in the rain, and broke Mexico. Out in the rainbows, and it broke more of Mickey's toes.
Oh, you actually finished. Let me take that. Okay, Nibbles. Let me see. Bruh, another A.
Give me an S.
Why?
Oh, came the rainbow and broke.
Yeah?
So you have to do the blue ring.
I'm okay.
Yay, said Mickey. That's not fair. Out came Mickey and broke Mickey's more toes.
Mm?
I have to have the best exam ever.
Okay. It's a B.
Bye.
Yeah, I'm B.
Why a bee? I hate bees. Like, bees are my worst number ever. That's what you actually get.
Okay. And then guys, Sniffles. Hello, how are you? Are you hiding in the dark?
Hello, is anyone in here?
Bruh, why are you?
I'm not crazy.
What are you doing here? Guess I'm asking questions, yeah?
You're being mean, and I'm not liking the meanness.
Emily, move. Move. We need to have all the light that we can on her. She looks a little weird, you know?
Get me out of the thing. I wanna get. Hey guys,
Yeah?
I wanna be in the video again. I wanna be in the video again.
What video?
The video.
Okay, I got the flashlights on. Sniffles. Okay, yeah, I think I have to turn it off. You know what? On. Sniffles. What are you doing in there?
Nothing. Just having some light. So, just turn off the lights.
Okay,
Turn
sure.
my eyes.
Can I Emily move? I think we need more light for her. Turn on the lights, Emily. Turn on the light.
That's fine. I'm gonna turn on the lights. Fine. I'm gonna turn on the lights. Turn on the lights. Oh no. I'm not going in practice again.
Why not? I want to just pet.
No practice. I said
Come on.
practice. Only Nibbles practice.
Bro, okay. Here,
Fine.
let's go look at Nibbles.
Walk, 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 walk. Nibbles.
Walk, 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 walk.
I hate this. What do you hate? Why do you hate it? Because it seems like a moon is going down. It seems like that I'm going as fast as you think. But I'm not.
Okay. Here, Emily.
Get me out of here! Get me out of here right now! Or else I'll
Lie down. Yeah?
lie down! Hold this. Hold down. Yeah. Lie down! Or else I will lie down. Hey, that blurry of your face! Actually, that's not nice. Up, 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 up. You saw the dice.
Good.
I'm not gonna sell the dice. Bro, I'm never gonna do that. I'm gonna do this.
Pee with a lot of it, just try to make herself another.
Finally, shushed her down. Oof.
You're good to go.
No! She's not even doing one single homework at all! She's destroying me! Because it's fair out! Okay?
Okay, you okay?
Yeah, I'm just coughing. Okay, we got rid of that madness. Now, it's time for your homework. Your homework? You just destroyed your homework. Did you know that you're destroying everything, you know? Because stop destroying everything. And you just need to do your homework. So stop destroying your homework, please. Okay, we made it. We made a decision. You do your homework nicely this time. Okay. Okay, so are you finished with the homework? Yes. See that? Three ways. Wow. You gotta plus. Oh, so painful. Why does stop making so much racket and just do your homework? So are you finished with your homework yet? A little bit longer, please. Okay?
Is Nibbles almost finished with her homework?
A little bit less noise. I am doing it as fast as I can. Or else I'll destroy the camera again. Uh-oh. What happened? Oh, what happened? You destroyed the camera again. Are you finished? No. 10,100 days later. Huh. Are you finished? Nope. 10,100 days later. Are you finished now? 10,100 billion days. Then I'm gonna be finished. Okay. I'm just gonna take a walk around. This took for long enough. Now let's take a start over. Okay. Are you finished now? Another walk. That would make me finish. Okay, another walk like she said. So I am going to do another walk. Okay, so are you finished now? Yeah. S plus. Whoop whoop!
Did I go 6 something?
No.
And I'm also hungry for noodles. Noodles every day. Noodles each night. Noodles every day. Noodles each night. Whoop! So you proud? I'm proud of myself, but where is your actual face? I need to do some business. Here we go. So we're gonna put
Just how
you
much
down.
to go you?
Okay, you can do it, Nibbles. You can do it.
Not that, the mat. No.
No, we can just.
Yeah, but she knows how to do it.
She's just afraid of the floor without, not that.
No, she has done it before.
Yes, she has done it before. Jump, Nibbles. Jump, jump,
Nibbles, come on.
Jump. I said, jump. Jump. You can do it. We have seen you do this before. See! She did it!
She jumped on top of my bag.
That was nice. The noodles, right? The noodles. The noodles.